Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. Just want to have a little talk with you. So, uh, I'm going to show you this graph of my views in the last 2 weeks, I think, or so. And it's pretty obvious that YouTube shadow banned me, and I have no idea why. I don't have any copyright infringements. I don't have any infractions or anything. I have no idea why they do this to people, just to unmotivate them to not do the channel because maybe they want to boost up the ones that are already big. But it's just crazy because I've done nothing wrong as far as my content or anything as far as violating their guidelines. So I have no idea why they did this to me, but let's take a look at the graph, and it's pretty obvious. All right, guys, so here you can see pretty obvious that I was shadow banned. Look how it just drops off for no reason. Kind of ridiculous, isn't it? I have no idea why they did this. Okay, guys, so you saw that. So you seen how I was getting a pretty consistent amount of views, and I post pretty much the same. Now, I did post a lot of shorts, but I mean, yeah, I was kind of duplicating some of them, but I don't understand why they would all of a sudden just quit recommending anything that I do. Because I know I have, I have up to 800 subscribers now, so but I'm not even getting 800 views in 48 hours, which is crazy. Between returning viewers and new viewers, I should be getting a lot more than that. I know there's other stories on YouTube about people getting shadow banned, and the graph looks exactly like mine. And I just, I didn't do anything wrong. I'm trying to build this channel up, and I was doing it for good intentions. Meanwhile, you got these other channels that don't give back or anything, monetizing, raking in money. And my entire reason for this channel is so I can give back and give back to the community in HVAC systems and service calls. So I have no idea what's going on with this, but yeah. I don't know what to say about it, but hopefully they unlock it. From what I've read, is that usually it's only supposed to last about 48 hours, but this has been over a week now, more like 10 days. I have no idea what's going on. So hopefully they stop doing that, because I only have good intentions, and maybe YouTube and Google don't like good intentions. I don't know. So I also want to say, what do I want to say? I lost my train of thought, but it's just crazy that they do that, to somebody that has very sincere intentions on this site and just wants to do what's right. Meanwhile, you got money grubbing people that are getting billions of views, and I understand it's all about advertising revenue and whatnot, but it just hurts me that these companies do that to the small guy, and hopefully they make it right. So I want to get my word out on that, and I look forward to making more HVAC videos for you guys. It's been rough the last couple of weeks, I understand that, but I'm still putting stuff out. I put out a bunch of shorts today. I had a video yesterday. I'm rehashing some of my old stuff. I'm trying to keep the content out there, and keep people watching. So if you're following me, please get the word out. And we got good things coming up. This is just getting started. I've only had this channel less than 3 months, so thanks for watching, and let's keep moving forward. Oh, hey guys, one last thing. I remembered what I was going to say. So I don't get a ton of comments on things where I feel like I should. I have some unique stuff out there, and maybe people just aren't staying long enough to see it. But man, feel free to like and comment, and if there's something you don't agree with, let me know. But this helps me put out the best content. So I just want to say that, and yeah, let's keep building this channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope everybody's doing well out there. Thanks, guys.